But when I went to donate them, I noticed one of the fossils was missing. I kept thinking, "What? Wait a second. Did I sell the fossil or something?" Well, it turns out that I had said I wanted to show everybody in that video, in one of my other videos, what happens if you send out a bunch of letters all at once. You get this mail pigeon carrier, and they take the letter for you. And you wouldn't see that if you only delivered like a certain amount of letters each day. Maybe you max everything out, you can see the mail guy flying off. So anyway, uh, what happened is that while I was uh, mailing letters, I had put some fruit in the letters just to max things out, which I actually didn't have to do. And they sent the fruit back, so that's why I didn't get 3 fossils. I wasn't even paying attention when I opened things. I just yeah, I didn't even notice it. I bet people watching that video are thinking I'm an idiot or something. Or maybe you're thinking it now, because I'm not a super genius or anything. It looks gloomy today. Just looked outside because I noticed it was gloomy in the town, and it's gloomy out there. Oh. Upcoming fishing tourney. On Saturday, July 12th, our island fishing tourney takes place. There are wonderful prizes if you earn a lot of points. I hope you're looking forward to it like I am. Isabella. Hmm.